now you're looking in the back office of a marketing system called Lead Lightning. Now, Lead Lightning is going to be a game changer. It's going to allow you to create buyer leads, to build your list. It comes with an autoresponder. It has incredible training. Just look at some of the things that you're going to have access to. We're going to show you how to market. We're going to give you all kinds of different ways to promote your link. You're going to have your own contact management system. You're going to have a training area packed with videos on how to market online, how to get traffic to your site, internet marketing training, everything you can imagine. You're going to be able to join our Facebook group where you can ask questions and meet other members. We're going to give you the links to advertise. We're going to show you how to advertise those links. And check this out. Every week we're going to pay you all your commissions. You're going to have your own e-wallet. We pay commissions all over the world. Now, if you want to get a sneak peek at this Lead Lightning funnel, all you have to do is scroll down the page and you're going to see the earning potential just from one prospect coming through your funnel. This is amazing stuff. You can grab your Lead Lightning system right now today for only $7 one time. Just click this green button called Get Started Today and be one of the very first people to get your hands on Lead Lightning.